The business environment remains very risky for a wider spread of credit, an observation that the Uganda Bankers Association insists requires immediate dialogue with the Ministry of Finance.
You can imagine the need for interaction is quite critical, because the factors which affect the economy affect us, and banks play an important part in ensuring the smooth functioning of the economy. You cannot underestimate the role of private sector credit in providing any stimulus to growth of the economy, especially at a time of distress. But also, so just being mindful of the environment in which the banks operate, that there is a good understanding across in terms of what can be done to make it smooth.
Uganda Bankers Association's chairman, Mathias Katamba, says evidence of a weak economy continues to interrupt the financial industry's mandate and, by extension, major sectors.
Companies need different things now, and different sectors have been affected differently. If you look, for instance, at so the education sector and the way it's been affected, if you ask me what it needs, you know what it needs. But we all have to wait for when the sector opens. If you look at the hospitality and tourism sector, we need the skies to open. When the skies are open and business comes back, then that sector will come back into play. If you look at transport, logistics, etc., we need the world to come back to business. If you look at real estate and commercial real estate in particular, again, you will see a general slowdown in aggregate demand will affect every business because consumption is down. And so there's no one answer for a particular business, but different businesses will be feeling the pain from different angles.
On the backdrop of a new stance by Bank of Uganda that it could opt to cap interest rates should lenders continue to defy the monetary attempts at economic recovery through the central bank rate, Katamba says macro interventions are equally critical.
And helping to alleviate that will only be as a result of very close dialogue, very open conversations across different sectors, seeing how government can support, but also how private sector companies in different industries can come together to share from the learnings from some of our neighbors.
Reina Ojon, NTV Business.